Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a public account on Snapchat. Open Snapchat, tap your profile, go to Settings, and select Public Profile to begin conversion. Start by verifying your account and following on-screen prompts to set a display name, bio, and audience controls. Enable story visibility, adjust privacy settings, and review content guidelines so your public presence is safe and discoverable. Post regularly and monitor engagement to grow followers. Begin by choosing a memorable display name and a short bio that explains what viewers will see on your public profile. Use a high-contrast profile image and a clean story cover to attract taps. Verify your phone or email and consider linking other social accounts to boost credibility. Set permissions so you control mentions and who can send messages. Review each option slowly so you don't miss privacy choices. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: leak-proof containers make meal prep simple and mess-free, perfect for creators who eat on the go between recordings. They stack neatly in bags and save time so you can focus on content, not cleanup. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on consistent content and short hooks to keep viewers watching and sharing your snaps. Experiment with spotlight, hashtags, and collaborations to expand reach beyond current followers. Engage quickly with comments and story replies to build a loyal audience. Track insights to compare which formats and times get the best reach and tweak your schedule accordingly. Always follow community guidelines to protect your account and reputation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.